Welcome to this two-bedroom flat for sale in Centrail, Port Elizabeth, Eastern Cape, South Africa for R385,000. This treasure is in the heart of Central, accessible to many amenities. Ideally good for an investor looking to invest, as the current owner has tenants staying, with good returns every month. It offers 2 bedrooms, kitchen, bathroom with shower, a huge lounge and has its own covered parking. It has been looked after very well. This is a rare find. Come and call me and have a look. I would like to take you through and have a look for yourself. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.